Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. I have these two smoking devices, electronic smoking devices. Use once, and once it's empty, throw away. So I'm going to extract the batteries from them. And I'm going to do it from both because this is the first time I get batteries from this type of device. And I don't know what the internal resistance is going to be. So I'm going to do basically a comparison between the two. And this will be a baseline for what to expect battery-wise from this type of device. Now, the brand on this is Yuoto. And let's see. I'm going to try opening it from the bottom. Maybe not. Maybe it has to be from the top. Oh no, I think it's working. Yeah. And will this pull out here? Look at that. Very nice. This is, I guess, the nicotine reservoir. How sad that this is not rechargeable. You basically throw away what I suspect is going to be a very good battery. I mean, you just use it once, you don't even recharge it. This is going to be a very good battery. Now let me see. Try and open it without causing a disaster. Right, let's cut these wires off. This looks like it's the positive terminal. This is going to be negative terminal. Yeah, terminal. We're going to measure the internal resistance in a moment, but let me first. I'm going to extract the battery from the second one. I'll do that offline so we don't waste too much time, and then we'll come back to test the internal resistance. All right, and we're back. So I extracted the batteries and I tested them. They were pretty low. The voltage was pretty low, which is to be expected because the person who gave these to me told me that they had been in some storage box for a long time. So what I did was I charged them both to around 3.8 volts so that we can measure them reliably. Here we go. This is the internal resistance meter. Let's start with this one here. The red is the plus. Plus. And minus. Let me zoom you down a bit. Okay. So we have 3.8 volts and around 32 milliohms for the first battery. I'm going to freeze the display and I'm going to swap them now. This is the plus. And this is the minus. All right. So the first one was 3.8 at 32 milliohms. This one, 3.78, which is close enough to 3.8 at 34 milliohms. So both batteries are pretty much measuring the same. There's not much difference between them. And so now I know that if I extract batteries from these types of smoking devices, that I can expect the batteries to have like a 34, around 34 milliohm internal resistance. And by the way, for anyone who's curious, I know I was, and so I did the math. These are a bit under 1000 milliamp hour, 900 and I forgot, 920 something milliamp hour. So you can see that it's 3.55 watt hour with a nominal voltage of 3.7 volts, which works out to be, like I said, 929 milliamp hour, 929 milliamp hour, yes. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video and see you on the next one. Bye-bye.